Today we've got a 1950 Corsair 7.5. These are made by Scott Atwater. This one is made from parts, probably 3 different engines. I didn't get a chance to put decals on it, but I did all the paintwork on it, and you know, the usual stuff, the water pump and the ignition and the carburetor. The power head I didn't touch. It's as is. It's not the strongest power head, but it pushes this boat 16 miles an hour. And it runs good. I do have to change the drive shaft. It's got a 2-piece drive shaft, and I think it's flexing in mid-range. It makes a horrible sound. And then once you're on plane and going full throttle, the sound goes away, so that tells me that it's the drive shaft flexing. So I might have to put a 1-piece drive shaft in there, or figure that out. Maybe it's a bushing in the gear case or something, I don't know. Alright, but let's go for a ride. We got a lot of boat traffic today, a lot of noise. Hopefully you can hear what's going on. I've got people wakeboarding and surfing, not surfing, water skiing, you name it. So let's see what I can do. The second year of full shifting engines with forward and reverse for Scott Atwater. Wait till you hear this noise at mid-range. So as promised, it does make a horrible sound at mid-range, but I can fix that. These are nice engines. I've got a 53 gold pennant Scott Atwater 7.5, and that thing is dynamite. So I'm going to continue on this one to finish it up, get decals on it, change that drive shaft, and dial it in. And that's it.